Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Hello, ma'am. My name is Isabel Mukimay Monton, 25 years old, single. I have one son and I have three sisters. I am the youngest in the family.
Okay, so what is your educational background?
High school graduate, ma'am.
So do you have experience as a domestic helper before?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In the Philippines, ma'am.
How long did you work in the Philippines?
3 years, ma'am.
3 years. So what are your duties and responsibility?
My main duties is taking care of the children and elderly, cleaning and cooking, ma'am.
So how many are they in the family?
5, ma'am.
5 members. Only one helper in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you prefer to take care, newborn or children?
Newborn, ma'am.
Newborn. So if your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you willing to share a room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
willing to work with another helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
willing to take care of disabled? Do you drink alcohol or smoke
No,
regularly?
ma'am.
So do you eat pork?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
have tattoo?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show me your tattoo?
This one, ma'am.
Okay, at the back. So do you have vision problems?
No, ma'am.
Do you hold any certificate like first aid, caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No, ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of high salary and I want to earn money to support my loved ones.
Okay, thank you.
No, ma'am.